In this video, I'll be showing you some of the new bookkeeping features now available on ABMBooks and how you can use them. To access these features, go to the left-hand side menu, click on Transactions, and you'll now see Bank Accounts, Chart of Accounts, Journal Entries, Smart Upload, All Transactions. Inside bank accounts, you can add and manage your business bank accounts directly within ABMBooks. This helps keep your bookkeeping more organized and makes it easier to track transactions. Next, under Chart of Accounts, you can view and organize your account categories. This is where you manage things like assets, liabilities, expenses, income accounts, and more. Under Journal Entries, you can manually create accounting entries whenever adjustments are needed. Simply click to create a new entry, enter your debit and credit accounts, then save the transaction. One of the newest features is Smart Upload. This feature helps reduce manual data entry by allowing you to upload documents and transaction information directly into the system. This can save a lot of time when managing bookkeeping records. Under All Transactions, you can view and manage all recorded transactions in one place. This makes it easier to review activity and keep your books organized. These are some of the latest bookkeeping features now available on ABMBooks. If you have any questions or need help getting set up, feel free to contact the ABMBooks team at info@abmbooks.com.